हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूं आप सब अच्छे होंगे। सबसे पहले मैं आप सबसे माफ़ी मांगना चाहूँगा क्योंकि मैंने बहुत दिनों के बाद वीडियो लाया हूं। तो आज हम ये मंदिर बनाएंगे। जैसा कि आप सब देख सकते हैं, इस मंदिर के छत के ऊपर हमने एक स्विच को लगाया है जो इस मंदिर के अंदर के जो लाइट है उसको जलाता है और बुझाता भी है। और इस मंदिर के छत को खोल के आप अपने भगवान को भी रख सकते हैं। तो आज हम आपको इस मंदिर को बनाने का पूरा वीडियो दिखाएंगे स्टेप बाय स्टेप। तो वीडियो को आखिर तक देखिए और हमारे साथ बने रहिए। तो चलिए अब वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं।
Yeah. MD, JPB, it's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back.
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I tell shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better. You only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know, I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. MD, JPB. You already know, baby. Yeah, I said, I already done it. Everything you wanna do, I already, you know that yeah. I said, you know that yeah. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
Drama. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, I'ma get on my face. I got a taste, want the whole plate. Finna get laced if you step out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like never really know when you're gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm on floor. Give me that smoke but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed but I can't get tired. Run for your life every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming to life. Had to face my fears while I chased my peers and I found my spot. About time that I found myself. I've been out here walking that walk. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like
everything makes me wanna leave this place and roam. Make me feel alive. Take my hand around, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun, don't you think we're done? 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 Knew that it was true from the way you looked at me. That made
दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको वीडियो नॉलेजेबल लगा होगा और आप भी एक ऐसा ही मंदिर बनाएंगे। मैंने एक और ऐसा ही मंदिर बनाया है लेकिन उसमें लाइट नहीं जलता, जैसे कि आप सब देख सकते हैं। इस मंदिर में मैंने सिर्फ लाइट को नहीं ऐड किया है, लेकिन ये भी एक मंदिर है। एक और चीज़ आपको दिखाना है, अगर आप इस मंदिर के छत को हटा देंगे और इसके ऊपर इसको रखेंगे तो एक रथ जैसा दिखता है। जैसे कि आप सब देख सकते हैं एक रथ जैसा दिख रहा है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको मेरा ये आइडिया पसंद आया होगा। अगर आप भी ऐसा ही कुछ मंदिर बनाते हैं तो मुझे आप टैग कर सकते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे। मेरा इंस्टाग्राम आईडी है art_with_lion। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो मेरे वीडियो को एक लाइक कर दीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और हमारे वीडियो को आगे शेयर कर दीजिए। हम मिलेंगे आपसे अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड टाटा बाय बाय।